Hope you guys are all doing well and being safe. It's a beautiful day outside. I thought I would do this little job today outdoors. I am in Southern California and the weather is beautiful. So I am sorry for those of you that are in places where the weather is not as nice as this. I do feel for you, especially owning one of these cars in that type of climate. But with that being said, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aaron. You guessed it.
AyAy
With Average Hero. Thanks for watching. Today we are going to be changing out the steering wheel logo of my 1LE. If you've watched any of my other videos, you've seen that I have changed the fender emblems and the rear bumper emblem to just go more with the satin steel theme that I have going on, just that nice stealth look, that black accents that the 1LE already does so well. I'm just trying to complete that. What is a mystery to me is why GM wanted to still put, at least on the 1LE packages, the red badging on the steering wheel, as well as you may have seen in the previous video, the shift knob emblem these two don't even match really, like a weird red orange color. So definitely had to change those. It's just kind of, my eye keeps getting drawn to this, and it's just kind of bothersome to me. See, I'm nitpicking a little things, but I did get the 1LE, if you guys could see that, check that out there. So the 1LE logo, that's going to go pretty much in this spot. It's got a little bit of red in there, but that's, you know, I'll be fine with it. Put that in there, show you how to take this off, this SS logo, and remove that carefully so we don't damage this plate here. And then pretty simple to put it back on. Here we are with the tools that I am using today to replace this emblem. I'll explain the vice grip in a minute. So tool, we've seen this tool before. This was in the, I think the shift emblem, the shift, emblem replacement. So I use that to get the boot out. I'll put the link down below. Very handy tool. I've used it many times. Of course, we have, let's see, the 1LE. This is from EmblemPros. So silver along a black background with that one red one. And then I am, you know, I've talked about Harbor Freight before, and it's a great place for some inexpensive stuff to get the job done. So you can see 80 piece. I want to say this was less than $10. It's pretty small. It's pretty underpowered. It's not like you're going to be doing major things with it, but I'll link to that. To get the emblem off that plate, it's held on, I don't know if it's like tabs, glue tabs, or what, but it is going to require something like this to take it off. You could use a knife, or, you know, a putty knife or something like that. You're probably going to be putting too much effort trying to get that off, and you could probably damage that plate as well. So I would recommend getting something like this, or a Dremel if you have it, to, you know, to take off those tabs. And I'm just gonna make sure I'm not more on the surface. So we'll go ahead and there are 4 posts, I think 2 about here and 2 here, that just have these little kind of like barbs on them that hold them in place. So we're just really kind of lifting that away and out of those sockets. I don't want to put too much pressure on the plastic back there, so I just felt that lift out. And there's no electronics or anything behind this, so you should be okay. And I think I should be able to get this with my, I feel it coming out, so there we go. Alright, so as I said, I got this rotary tool. It comes with these bits that are like these metal abrasive bits. I found these to work the best when I was doing the first one, compared to some of the like polishing bits that it comes with that I'd seen some other videos using. So you can see it's got just enough of an abrasive on there. So I'm gonna go ahead and grind these off, and you can see just with a little bit of effort, it takes them off. So here we go. Alright, so you can see that now I have them somewhat flush. This should come off. See that? Nice and clean. Here we go, just like butter. All right, so we can see what I probably think would be a good idea is to wipe off or clean off this area here with maybe some rubbing alcohol or something to clean that surface, just to make sure, because you know the dust, and then also maybe my hand oils, because the 1LE logo is attaching with looks like some maybe 3M tape, foam tape or something there, whereas the SS logo was held in by tabs and no glue. So just good idea to make sure that that surface is clean. So I am going to be using some just plain old household rubbing alcohol. So don't need a lot of it, just enough to keep the surface clean. So I can tell that right now the logo fitment wise, it's just a tad smaller than where the SS kind of fit. You can see a little bit of a gap there. That's not a big deal for me. I mean, I like that. I can see the, you know, the 1LE logo there. I like that look. I like that logo. I want to make sure these go straight. Pretty simple. Get my grimy hands oil off of that. All right, heroes. So pretty simple mod. I don't know if that's a modification. I don't think that's a modification, but it's a pretty simple little thing that you can do to your vehicle if you want to. EmblemPros, they have a lot more than just the 1LE logos. They also have different color SS logos there as well, RS logos. Pretty cool. Check it out. GM even licensed them. But everyone, if you like the video, please like down below, up above, whatever device you're on. I'd love to hear your comments. What kind of Camaro do you have? Do you have an RS? Do you have an LT1? Do you have an SS? ZL1? What color? I love to hear that. I've seen some of the comments. I appreciate that. Most of all, I want everyone to be safe. Enjoy your weekend wherever you may be. Subscribe to the channel. Otherwise, this is AyAy with Average Hero, out.